Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Carbonated Gatorade, Zero Sugar, Glacier Freeze Iceberg Cherry Natural Flavor. First thing you gotta do is you open up this packet of this Glacier Freeze Iceberg Natural Flavor Mix. Pour it into this mug and with some water. Then, last but not least, open up this cherry natural flavor sparkling water and you pour it into this mug. And here is your Carbonated Gatorade, Zero Sugar, Glacier Freeze Iceberg, Cherry Natural Flavor. Enjoy it, folks. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.